So for today, we are going to learn about the annotation bar, which you see up here. So the annotation bar has a text command, dimensions command, and also a table command. So let's start with the text command. So with the text command, you can actually insert text in your drawings. So when I click the text, and then I'll just state where do I want to put my text, and then finding the right size for my text box, just click there and you will have a text box ready to be typed. So for example, I'll type my name. So it's like a standard word commands. So at the top UI, you can actually choose your own fonts and also resize your words. Next is for the dimensions. So for the dimensions, it actually shows you the measurements which you make at your drawings. So I'll just draw a simple rectangle beside here. And let's say I would like to show the people who are reading my drawings the length of my rectangle. So just click on the dimension command, choose the edge of this rectangle. As you can see, there will be numbers that will pop up. So this represents the length of your drawing in the dimension which you have specified earlier in your drawing. So let's just measure this rectangle. So I'm initially using millimeters as my original measuring unit. So as we can see, the length is about 38 millimeters in length. Next, for the width, for the height, we have about 14.47 millimeters. So we have different kinds of commands for the dimension. We have a linear command and a line command. So they have different uses based on what you want to measure. So have some time to experiment with it. So next is for a leader. So leader is like a pointer to indicate any specific object which you would like to mark. So for example, I would like to mark the edge of this rectangle. So by using the leader, I can actually insert an arrow to show the edge while explaining what the edge is. So let me just type sharp edge. So the leader actually pops up a text box straight away. Last but not least is the table option. So when you click on the table, just like in Excel, they will allow you to insert your own table straight away into your drawing. So here you can state how many columns you want, what is the column width that you prefer, how many data rows, the row height. So based on your preference, you can make any table from this. So just for show, let's say I would like a table with 4 columns and a column width of 50 millimeters. And the data rows, let's say I would like 3 data rows at the vertical. And each of the row height is, let's say, 5. So the first row cell represents the title, second row header, and all the other rows are data. Click OK. And you can see we have 4 rows and also 4 columns for the data. So I guess that's it for the annotation bar. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.